All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to show you how to work with layers. This is part 2 of my 5-part playlist. So check this out. Layers are pretty straightforward once you get to know them, but I'm going to pull the layers palette out here. And if you don't have that visible, it's under Window and Layers. And what we're going to do is we see that this is just an image. If you opened a JPEG that you had or something, or any kind of document really, it'll more than likely be what's called a flattened image. So that flattened means no layer. So to convert this to a normal layer, you can click this lock here. See, if I try to drag here, it's going to say nope, and I can convert to normal layer. So you can do that here. And now I can move this around. What's behind it is actually the transparency grid. So I'll get into that in a little bit. But so that's you've now turned your background layer into a normal layer. You can double click on the layer here to name it whatever you want. Image, hit return, and I'm going to show you now what else you can do with these. So I have an Illustrator here, and I have a logo that I made. Actually, I didn't. It's a stock one, but you get the drift. I'm going to paste it in here, and let's hit pixels and hit return. Now I've got that as layer 2. I'm going to put logo. Boom. Now I've got my image and I've got my logo. And you see these bounding box here. I'm going to drag this down to make it smaller. Hit enter. So, oops. Now you click on your layer and you can move it around. So, see that image, logo. And now say I wanted to do some text. I'm going to go get my text tool right here and click here, and I'm going to go text. Hello world. All right, so if you needed some text, you have that. So that's on another layer. So now I've got, you see here, I've got my image, I have my logo, and I have my text. So you can mess with the text by double clicking on it, and you can retype on text layers there. See that? I can just it's like normal text on any other program really. So I got my logo and I got my image. So those are the basics of layers, and you can drag these. I'm going to grab, watch this. I'm going to get the logo, or I'm going to take this image. I'm going to drag it up to another tab up here, pull down, and now we can rebuild them on other ones if you need to. No big deal. Or if you wanted, to drag an element from one to the other, I'm going to drag the logo over there now, and you can see. So that's the basics of layers. They work. It's like an independent file on top of each other that you can just manipulate independently of each other. So that's that. I'm going to show you how to cut things out of images and layers in the next video. So it's on the next one in this playlist. So make sure to check that out. If this helped, make sure to hit like, share it, leave me a comment. Thanks.